people, and I would love to meet people always.
So Parul Garg have got an image of being very sanskari bahu or sanskari, nari and all. Are you that kind?
I
Because
am very sanskari.
you're very sanskari.
Very
Like you do all
sanskari.
puja and all.
हाँ, but I do whatever I do with my heart. मैं रोज सुबह उठ के पूजा नहीं करती हूँ.
Right.
But जब मैं करती हूँ तो मैं पूरे दिल से करती हूँ.
तो जो चीज दिल से नहीं आती, if you don't do that, you think you tend to hurt few people out there.
See, I come from a very loving and a very beautiful family. I come from a huge family. My mom are 11 brother sisters. My father has 7
Wow.
brother sisters. And my father is the youngest. So me and my sister are the youngest of the lot. So we are super pampered.
Absolutely.
And
yeah.
I'm married into a beautiful, loving family.
Wow.
So me, and I'm youngest again.
Right.
So I come from a very comfortable. I came from a very comfortable zone into a very comfortable zone. I was made very comfortable. So I imbibed, their values, their culture as much as I could. But I was never forced upon.
Right.
I was never forced to follow. I was married into. I'm from Himachal.
Wow.
Right. My father is a Himachali. My mom is a Maharashtrian.
Oh.
And I'm married into a Banya family.
मला पण मराठी येतोय.
Acha.
Yeah.
So you share something common.
Yes.
So I am married into absolute arranged marriage. I was married in 4 days. We only met once for a cup of coffee, and that's how we got married. I was married the day I was supposed to get engaged because my
Yeah.
husband told my father that मुझे जल्दी शादी करनी है और अगर आप शादी नहीं कराओगे तो मैं इसको ऐसे ही ले जाऊंगा. So my father said तुम लोग engagement के दिन ही शादी कर लो. So that's how it is. Married into a Banya family. Of course, their culture is a little different than ours. Of course, some things are very similar in most North Indian families.
Right.
But I was very lucky to, as I said, to be in a family where they told me, बेटा अच्छा लगता है तो करो, नहीं अच्छा लगता तो मत करो.
Right.
From day one.
Right.
So I do my few pujas, my few fasts, which I truly believe in.
Right.
Like Karwa Chauth and Ahoi. It comes from
Within.
Navratri. It comes from within.
Yeah.
But things जो और भी बहुत चीजें होती है जो मुझे नहीं फील होती मैं नहीं करती.
How much it affect you when they say ना कि लोग क्या कहेंगे? Like इसके चक्कर में लोग क्या कहेंगे के चक्कर में most of the girls have actually left their dreams of becoming something. Whether to become a model, whether to become a star. वो कई not girls, even boys also. Society क्या कहेगी अब तो पैसे
Societal
कमाने आपको
pressure.
Absolutely. What you think about it? आपके टाइम पर जब आपने कहा था नहीं यार मुझे लॉ नहीं करनी है मुझे मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बनना है तब ये थॉट नहीं था कि अच्छा बेटा लोग क्या कहेंगे?
नहीं
How was your
बिल्कुल
family?
भी नहीं बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
No?
Not at all. I
Wow.
think my husband was the first person who told me.
अच्छा you were married that time when this shift
हाँ.
happened, yeah?
Yeah. Married for quite a few years. I've been married 16 years.
Wow.
Yeah, I've been married 16 years. So I was married. I was practicing law when I got married. Then I quit because it was a very demanding profession.
Right.
And I got married in Gurgaon and the courts are in Delhi and the traveling was crazy. I'm talking about 2005.
Right.
When the highway was being built. So it would take hours for me to travel. And I
Right.
would miss out on just being with him. So I quit. I called it quits. And then
So nobody stopped you कि अच्छा lawyer तो
फिर तो
lawyer
मैंने
बन रही
ब्रेक
है
लिया
तुम?
फिर हाँ nobody stopped me.
No, wow.
नहीं nobody stopped me.
Because that
Nobody.
time I think makeup was not that आज की
हाँ
तारीख में
मैं
makeup is
बताती
like
हूँ
a
ना
celebrity.
on a very funny note जब एग्जाम्स होते थे और पढ़ाई नहीं करते थे तो पापा बोलते थे कि why aren't you studying तुमने क्या ब्यूटी
Yeah.
पार्लर खोलना है.
अच्छा हाँ खोलना है हाँ.
अब तो खोल लिया. So कुछ नहीं कह सकते कि कब क्या होता है but nobody ever everybody always encouraged me. I have great family support.
Right.
From both the sides.
Right.
Because having children, having a home to run, you need that kind of support system.
Right.
To be able to work 13 hours a day without thinking who's looking after my kids, who's looking after my house.
One question that I think everybody wants to know, and please correct me, you guys, if I'm wrong. Parul Garg is what? Is she a divorcee? Is she single? Is she looking out for someone?
No.
Like what?
I am very happily married to the most amazing man on this planet.
And 2 kids.
And I have 2 beautiful children.
One boy, one girl,
One
who
boy,
are
one
twins.
girl who are
so
twins.
I guess everybody now who were confused before You
No,
know who
not at
Parul
all.
Garg is? Yeah. So now she's
I'm a very happily married, content woman.
maybe you don't post that much ना तो वो you know people have this tendency 2 का 4 4 का 16 करना
हाँ,
so
हाँ.
maybe because of
Yeah,
that
yeah, probably. But मैं तो सिर्फ अपना मेकअप डालती हूँ ना पेज पे, तो हस्बैंड को डालने के लिए I have to do makeup on him and that's the end of it.
Okay,
So, yeah, no,
that will be a game changer, right? You know, then the wives will get their husband also to you कि इनका भी कर दो makeup.
नहीं, मुझे मजा नहीं आएगा.
Acha,
मुझे
tell
kick
me
नहीं
something.
मिलेगी.
How
हाँ.
do you manage from, I think, morning to evening? You are either taking your class, either taking your, bridal appointments. You're just busy at work, busy, like super busy. I know that fact, right? Do your kids miss you, like mama? You know, घर का खाना. Do you cook?
Oh, I cook a lot.
You do?
I cook a lot.
Right,
Cooking for
right.
me is most refreshing. I cook a lot, and people do comment that I cook very, very well. I love
Wow.
cooking, and I've always loved cooking. No, but I don't freelance ever.
Yeah.
And my office is my studio is in my house. It's one floor of my house.
But still, do they miss
So,
you? कि
yeah.
यार आज time ही नहीं है यार आपके पास
हाँ,
हमारे
तो मैंने
लिए and all?
धीरे-धीरे, you know, as children grow up, you also tend to work more because they've got their
Right.
own things happening.
Right.
But yeah, sometimes they do. But I definitely, the moment I finish work, I'm home. The moment I
Right.
do nothing else, I either work or I'm with my family. And then once my kids sleep, then I'm with my friends.
Yeah.
So I think that's my life, you know,
Wow.
and I definitely balance it out. When I go for a holiday, I don't go for a 2-3 day holiday. I go for a 2 to 3 weeks holiday.
Wow.
So I block my calendar. I tell my team, these are the dates along with my kids' holidays. These are blocked. Be what may, I'll not work. And those days are just dedicated to the kids, to my
And the
husband,
family,
and the
yeah.
family. And otherwise also, you know, when once I'm free in the evening, then it's all family. I cook, I feed them. I go grocery shopping. I do everything which any ordinary woman would do for her household.
Wow. We never knew that.
हाँ, सब्जी भी खरीदने जाती हूँ,
Right.
सब कुछ करती हूँ. Like all of them out there.
So you're proper wife material कि यार ये है और मैं बच्चों का भी ध्यान रखती हूँ, सब्जी भी खरीदती हूँ, खाना भी बनाती हूँ और लड़कियों को सुंदर भी बनाती हूँ.
हाँ, ये तो मेरे हस्बैंड से पूछना पड़ेगा, मैं वाइफ मटेरियल हूँ कि नहीं.
But is he supportive? Like
Very supportive, very
yeah.
supportive. I couldn't have found a better partner in life.
How sweet, yeah. So now, I think everyone is clear that Parul Garg is neither a divorcee nor single, and neither she's looking out for a partner because she have got an amazing, beautiful husband from past 16 years and 2 kids, and they're twins.
Yes.
One boy and one girl.
11-year-olds, yeah.
11-year-olds, yeah. And she's fun on my couch. I'm super excited to have her on my show.
I'm having fun as well.
Right, right. We'll be back after a short break. Excuse the rumors and welcome back to my show, Almost Famous. And I'm in conversation with the Parul Garg, and she have already spilled most of her beans, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start with Hot Shots round. Now I'll tell you what this round is all about. I'm gonna ask you quick questions, and if you're not comfortable answering some question, you have to take a shot
If
and
I'm
say
not
pass on.
comfortable.
If you're not comfortable.
Okay, done.
Yeah. Generally, we compete with 2 guests. Right now, you're alone. So, if more than 3 shots, you will lose the hamper.
Okay.
Now, this is the most famous hamper that we have. So, it is a lot of things in the hamper which you really have to fight for. So,
There's something very
just
special in this hamper.
Really?
I don't know whether you would want to cut or I would want to tell you. House of Vian is my sister's baby. She
Really?
sold it to the current owners.
Right.
Vian is after my children's name. Vihan and Anvi.
Oh, wow.
So it's House of Vihan is Vihan and Anvi, and that was what she was doing before she had her twins.
Really?
So yeah, she sold the business to the current owner.
So now you will be all enthused to grab this hamper because you have got memories attached to it, huh?
Yes.
Great. So are you ready? Brace yourself, Parul. You ready for the hot shot round?
Absolutely,
Absolutely.
always.
Yeah, great. My first question to you. Which makeup artist you think is most underrated?
No, everybody's getting the due share. I think they
So
are.
you think everyone is like at the top
yeah,
of the game, yeah?
everybody is doing well and everybody is getting a lot of work.
If you want to make a WhatsApp group full of gossip, which 3 makeup artists you will add in the group and who will be the admin?
एडमिन तो मैं ही होंगी. गॉसिप. पता नहीं मेरी इतनी सबसे इतनी बात नहीं हुई कि मुझे पता
But
चले.
still, you have some
Guneet is
perception,
full of
right?
life.
Yeah?
Guneet is so must.
Okay.
So Guneet and कृति तो मुझे बहुत ही स्वीट सी, बड़ी सी
She is sweet, yeah,
हाँ,
she
बहुत
is
ही,
sweet. Yeah.
हाँ. Lina is again very prim and proper, you
Yeah.
know, so not gossip. और कौन होगा? मैं ही और गुनीत ही हंस रहे होंगे जोर से, I think.
So a group which will have you, Guneet,
And then
Leena,
I'll tell,
and Kriti.
and I'll tell Guneet to choose the others.
That's a good answer. That's a good answer. Sexiest man in India according to you?
My husband.
Great. Overrated makeup artist according to you?
A lot of international makeup artists.
Great. Name one.
I don't want to name it.
That will call for a shot. So
That's fine.
yeah. Okay. Great.
But I wouldn't want to disregard anybody.
Great. I respect that totally. Leena Bhushan, Guneet Virdi, Meenakshi Dutt. Your favorite artist among these three?
No, I
No?
wouldn't be able to choose. No.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
I think
still you
I
feel-
think Leena and Guneet.
Because of
would be-
experience, I think Meenakshi is
Yes,
out there, right?
yes, out of experience and regard. But otherwise, I think Leena and Guneet do a fantastic job.
Yeah? Amazing. Okay. Parul as an artist or Parul as a wife?
I would leave the question as an artist to my clients and as a wife to my husband.
Amazing. Sonia Gandhi or Mamta Banerjee, which you think have potential to run the country?
Neither.
Worst news you heard about yourself on internet?
That I'm single.
Now I think it's clear.
I'm so much in love and with my husband and I'm very happily married. ये हो क्या रहा है?
Makeup industry according to you is dash. Complete the sentence.
It's heaven.
It's heaven, yeah? You think it's
It's
heaven?
an amazing place to be.
Right. If you want to cast a makeup artist as your muse, which one you will take?
Oh, Guneet.
Yeah?
हाँ
You
हाँ,
think
hands
that-
down.
Absolutely full of
Must,
masala
yeah,
and then
must.
hit hai. Your favorite lehenga brand you would love to see on your brides?
I wouldn't be able to mention one. There are quite a lot of them.
Right. Okay. I totally respect that. Your worst reaction you ever received from your bride?
Oh, touch wood, none, never.
Never?
Always this beautiful smile and this gleam in their eye,
Right.
which makes my day. Every makeup, where you know, I always tell them when they say thank you, ma'am, that smile. I said this mean, or they say, oh, I love the look. You
So
know,
nobody
I tell
says,
them,
oh,
they say it in between. The
Yeah.
sare colors नहीं मिले, they say
हाँ.
this is too much.
हाँ.
So I tell them, don't worry, we'll let me finish it.
Yeah.
And then if there's something you would want to change, I would happily do so.
Yeah, like चुप
But-
कर जा खत्म होने दे पहले.
नहीं, चुप कर जा नहीं. With due respect, अगर आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, मैं change कर दूँगी और मैं
Change कर
करती भी
दोगी.
हूँ.
One makeup artist you want to exchange your life with?
No one.
No one. You're happy where
I
you are. Very
love
good.
where I am.
Amazing. You would love to have dinner date with number 1 Sahil Malhotra, number 2 Guneet Virdi, number 3 Amrit Kaur.
Only my husband.
Only your husband.
I'm madly in love with him.
So all three are like आप एक तरफ हो जाओ मैं तो अपने पति के साथ जा
हाँ
रही
हाँ
हूँ.
हाँ, मेरे को तो I can be with him 24/7 all my life.
How sweet,
मुझे
how
कुछ नहीं
sweet.
चाहिए. But on a lighter note, I think Guneet, I'll have a lot of fun with her.
Absolutely yes, you
I think
will.
Guneet.
I'm
I
sure.
have only
that
spoken
you
to
are.
her once, but it was a
Yeah.
good conversation.